So now we are going to see polygon. Polygon is nothing but line segment forming a polygon. So it is called as all the sides. Okay, so line segment forming a polygon, and it's the simplest and also closed curve. So this closed curve is forming a polygon. For this closed curve is nothing but is made up of a line segment. So line segment forming a polygon. So forming a polygon is called as a sides. That's it. And types of polygon and properties. So now we are going to see, first one is a 3-side polygon. This is a 4-side polygon. This is a 5-side polygon, 6-side polygon, and 7-side and 8-side and 9-side and 10-side polygon. So 3-side means it's a very least side of least sides of a polygon. This is a least side of polygon. This is least side means only 3 side. Okay, so it has only least side. It is a least side polygon, nothing but triangle. So it has only 3 side compared to other polygons, because it is a very least side polygon. It has only 3 side. We can call it as triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Vertex is nothing but, I tell you very clearly, these polygons is very important. These words, these terms are very important for the polygons. Vertices, faces, and edges or the 3-dimensional solid. So while you go for the 3-dimensional solid, so we have to use these terms, vertices, faces, and edges. Vertices is nothing but it is defined as a point where 2 or more edges meet. 2 or more edges meet. This is a this one edge, this one edge, this one edge. This is called as but okay, what is this? This one edge, other one is. This is 1, 2, 3 edges. It is defined as a point where 2 or more edges. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge. This meters, okay, as a point, So this is a point, and this is a point, and this is also a point. So first point, second point, 3 point. Okay, how many points? 3 points. As a point where 2 or more edges meet, we can call it as vertices. And so it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 sides, and it has 3 vertices. So that means I told you 2 or more edges. Here 3 edges. Okay, that is called as, and it has no diagonals. It has no diagonals, and sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. And nothing but is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides polygon. It is a 4-side polygon. We can call it as quadrilateral. As 4 sides and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 vertices means 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that is called 2 or more edges meet as a vertices. Okay, it defined as a point. Actually it is defined as a point. The vertices is nothing but as a point where 2 or more edges meet. So 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edges. Okay, and 4 sides and 4 vertices, and as 2 diagonals. This is one diagonal. I have told you this is a one diagonal, and this is a another diagonal. Okay, and sum of the interior angle is 360 degree. Here sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. And pentagon, it has 5 sides and 5 vertices and 5 diagonals. Sum of the interior angle is 540 degree. Again I'll repeat, pentagon means 5 sides, so it has 5 sides and 5 vertices and 5 diagonals. Sum of the interior angle is, what is this, 540 degree. And hexagon, it has 6 sides and 6 vertices, and as it has 9 diagonals, and sum of the interior angle is 720 degree. And heptagon, it has 7 sides and 7 vertices, and it has 4 diagonals. Sum of the interior angle is 900 degree. Octagon, it has 8 sides and 8 vertices, and it has 20 diagonals, and sum of the interior angle is 1080 degree. And nonagon, it has 9 sides and 9 vertices, and it has 27 diagonals, and sum of the interior angle is 1260 degree. And decagon, it has 10 sides and 10 vertices, and it has 35 diagonals. Sum of the interior angle is 1440 degree. And quadrilateral means we have some more quadrilateral we have seen. It is, what is this means? One is a parallelogram, and another one is a trapezium, and another one rhombus. These are the some more example of quadrilaterals: parallelogram and trapezium and rhombus. These are some more examples of quadrilaterals. And now we are going to see what are the 3D shapes and what are the 3D shapes and properties and examples of 3D shapes and 2D shapes. Okay, 3D shapes means we have to see vertices, faces and edges. Now we are going to see faces. Flat surface of a solid is called its face. So flat surface, for example, flat surface of a, what is the definition? Flat surface of a solid is called as face. This is a flat surface. Flat surface of a solid is called as face. Example, cube, cuboid. Cube and cuboid is, that is, this is a cube, this is a 3D shape, and cube and cuboid. Okay, cube and cuboid. This is a flat surface, this is a flat surface. It has 6 faces. Okay, how many faces? 6 faces. And cone, a flat face and curved face. Okay, cone is nothing but here is called as a cone. Okay, cone. Okay, this is a cone. Here cube only. So that is what I mentioned, cuboid here. So and other one is what? Cone. We are going to discuss about faces in cone. Okay, it has how many faces? Faces 2 and vertices what? 1 and edges 1. Okay, and one more is a cylinder. Cylinder means is nothing but how many? It is a 2 flat face, a curved face. 2 flat face. Okay, this is a flat face and this side also, another side also opposite, and this is back side also one more flat face. So 2 flat face and a curved surface, a curved surface. That is what. And sphere, a curved. Sphere is nothing, a curved surface. That's it. Okay, so these are the 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? I told you triangle prism and rectangular prism. There is an example of 3D shapes is nothing but triangular prism and rectangular prism and cube. One more is cuboid, cone and sphere and cylinder. These are all the 3D shapes. What is called a 3D shape? First we must know what is a 3D shape means. Nothing but three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape is nothing but it has 3 different measures. What are the measures? Such as length. Width means length, you know that what is a length, and width is nothing but a breadth, and one more is height as its dimension. That is what we can call it as 3-dimensional shape. And 2D shape is nothing but 2-dimension. It has 2 different measures such as length and breadth only, except what? Height. Okay, that is what we can call it as 2-dimensional shape and 2D shapes. And finally we are going to discuss about the term of the 3-dimensional shape is edges. The line segment which act as the interior between 2 faces is called an edge. The line segment, you know this, what is the line segment? This is a line segment. Okay, these are the line segment which act as an interface between 2 faces called an edge. Edge is nothing but this is an edge. Okay, so this is an edge. I'll just explain 3D shape once more and also their properties. One is example, one is triangular prism and second is a rectangular prism. This is triangular prism properties. Faces what? 5 and vertices 6 and edges what? 9. And faces here rectangular prism. Rectangular prism in faces are 6 and vertices also what? It is 8 and edges is called as 12. And next one is what is this? It is a cube and faces is 6 and vertices also 6 and edges are 12. And cone is nothing but faces is 2 and vertices 1 and edges 1. And sphere faces 1, vertices 0 and edges also 0. And here faces, that is cylinder, faces 3 and vertices also 0 and edges, how many edges? 2 edges. Okay, and now we are going to see the examples of 3D and 2D shape. 3D means cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. And 2D shapes, that means square and rectangle, and these two also comes under an quadrilateral, and circle, this is also a 2D dimension shape, and triangle, this is also comes under a 2D dimension shape, and it comes under a 3 sides of quadrilateral, and this is an oval shape, it also comes under in 2D. 2D means 2-dimensional shapes. So I think so you understand almost the what types of polygons and also the 3D shape and 2D shape, and what is 3D shape, what is 2D shape, what is the difference between the 3D and 2D shapes, and what are the how many vertices, how many faces, how many edges, and everything you have learned from this. And here cube and cuboid is 12 edge and cone is 1 edge. See, edge we have to discuss about. I forgot to say. Cube and cuboid 12 edges and cone is only 1 edge and cylinder is 2 edges and sphere has no edge. Okay, I think so you understand the types of polygons and properties and 3D shape and properties and examples of 3D shapes and 2D shapes, and what are the terms of the 3D shapes, vertices, faces, edges. So especially in 3D shape, how many vertices, how many faces, how many edges are there, and what are the definitions of 3D dimensional shape, 3D shape and 2D shape, and what are the types of quadrilaterals. Everything you understand from the understanding elementary shapes. So finally we have to see just a small recap and recap of the shapes.